Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we are going to look at the day 2 updates from the Tamil Nadu Management Counseling that is happening now. So let's look at how many seats had been allotted in day 2, how many seats are still vacant, and what is the cutoff for colleges for which the seats have been already closed. So we will look at the different categories like general management category, Telugu minority, Malayalam minority, and also NRI lapsed seats. So to start with, the seats allotted on 21st December 2020, that is the day 2 of management counseling in Tamil Nadu. We look at the general category first. Under Mada Medical College, 1 seat was allotted. Annapurna Salem, there are 4 seats allotted. Tagore Chennai, 5 seats had been taken up. 7 seats had been taken up in Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan. 14 seats had been allotted in Karpagam Coimbatore and 17 seats in Karpaga Vinayaka, 22 seats in Tiruchi SRM, 27 seats in Velamal Madurai, 28 seats in Melmaruvattur Adi Parasakti, and the hottest college on day 2 is Panimalar Chennai, where 47 seats had been taken up. So totally, if you look at the general category, there are 172 seats had been allotted on day 2. If you look at NRI lapsed, there are 7 seats allotted under NRI lapsed category. Out of these, 6 seats had been allotted in KMCH Coimbatore and 1 seat had been taken up in Velammal Madurai. And Telugu minority, 9 seats had been taken up in Tiruchi SRM. So if you look at the total allotment on day 2, totally we had 188 MBBS seats had been allotted. Of course, there are 2 candidates who took the BDS seats. I have not covered the BDS details in this video. I'm covering only the MBBS seats in this video. Now let's look at what is the vacancies available at the end of day 2 so that the candidates coming for day 3 counseling, they know exactly what are the vacancies available. So let's go one college by one college. So to start with Annapurna Salem, there are 31 seats still available under general management category, 15 seats under Telugu minority, 23 seats under NRI lapsed, and that adds up to 69 seats still available under Annapurna Salem. Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan, we have 5 seats under general management category, 40 seats under Telugu minority, and 22 seats under NRI lapsed, adding up to 67 seats totally. Indra Medical College, Tiruvallur, 30 seats under general management category and 23 seats under NRI lapsed. That adds up to 53 seats in Indra. Karpaga Vinayaka, there are no more seats under general category. All the seats had been taken up already. So they have only 14 NRI lapsed seats. Karpagam Coimbatore, once again, all the seats under general management category has been closed. Now they have 37 seats under Telugu minority and 23 seats under NRI lapsed, adding up to 60 total seats. KMCH Coimbatore, there is only 1 seat available now under NRI lapsed category. That is the only seat left in KMCH Coimbatore. Mada Chennai, we have 51 seats under general management category, 23 seats under NRI lapsed, and totally we have 74 seats. Melmaruvattur Adi Parasakti, there are no more seats under general management. We have only 23 NRI lapsed seats. Panimalar Medical College in Chennai, we still have 2 seats under general category and then 22 seats under NRI lapsed, totally 24. PSG Coimbatore, there are no more seats available. Sri Moogambige Medical College, Kanyakumari, 3 seats available under general management, 30 seats under Malayalam minority, 12 seats under NRI lapsed, and totally we have 45 seats. Tagore Medical College in Chennai, we have 25 seats under general management, and 23 seats under NRI lapsed, totally 48. Tiruchi SRM, there are no more seats under general management. Telugu minority, we have 16 seats, and NRI lapsed, we have 23. Totally 39 seats are available under Tiruchi SRM. Velammal Madurai, once again, there is no seat available under general management. They have only 18 NRI lapsed seats. CMC Velur, no more seats. And if you look at the total, grand total, we still have 147 seats under general management, 30 seats under Malayalam minority, 108 seats under Telugu minority, and 250 seats under NRI lapsed. And finally, if you look at the total number, we have still 535 seats available for management counseling. The Tamil Nadu Selection Committee has called 2 more days of counseling. So probably by the end of 2 days, I still doubt that the 535 seats would be finished. So probably we will see what happens tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Now let's look at the cutoff for management quota for the colleges in which the seats had already been closed. So there are about 8 colleges where there are no more seats under the general management category. That is what we are going to see. For those colleges, what is the closing rank? We already saw yesterday that CMC Velur, the open seats have closed at 207 management rank and NEET mark 626. We also saw that SC/ST category in CMC Velur closed at 1582 rank and NEET marks 535. PSG Coimbatore closed at 1702 and NEET marks 530. KMCH Coimbatore also closed yesterday at 520 marks. And after this, there are 5 colleges for which the seats had closed today. Velammal Madurai closed at 501. Tiruchi SRM also closed at 501 marks, is very close in terms of the rank also. Velammal Madurai closed at 2493. Tiruchi SRM just closed 2499, very close. Karpaga Vinayaka closed at 2639 rank and NEET marks 496. Karpagam Coimbatore closed at 492 marks. Melmaruvuttur Adi Parasakti closed at 485 marks. So these are the 8 colleges in which there are no more general management category seats. So I have shown you the cutoff or closing marks for those seats. We will see more details tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.